If you've ever wondered how to move your crypto from Trust Wallet into Cash App, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to transfer your Bitcoin safely and easily. And I'll share some key tips to avoid costly mistakes, so stick around until the end. First, here's what you need to know. Cash App only supports Bitcoin for crypto deposits. That means you can't send Ethereum, USDT, or any other token directly. If you're holding another cryptocurrency in Trust Wallet, you'll need to swap it for Bitcoin before you begin. Once you have Bitcoin ready in Trust Wallet, open your Cash App, tap the bank icon at the bottom, select Bitcoin, scroll down, and tap Deposit Bitcoin. Then tap Get Your Bitcoin Address and copy the address that appears. This is where your BTC will be sent. Now head over to Trust Wallet. Select Bitcoin from your list of assets and tap Send. In the recipient field, paste the Bitcoin address you just copied from Cash App. Enter the amount of BTC you want to transfer. Double-check the address to make sure it's 100% correct. Even one wrong character can cause you to lose funds. And then hit Next to confirm and send the transaction. After a few minutes, your Bitcoin will appear in your Cash App balance. The speed will depend on network traffic, but you can track the transaction status right inside Trust Wallet. And that's it. You've successfully moved Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to Cash App. Always remember, double-check the address, only send Bitcoin, and swap your crypto ahead of time if needed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check the description for additional tips on using crypto with Cash App.